unboxing of the iPad Air 5. This is the 64GB model, and it's priced at $599 US. And we'll put this aside and take a look at what else comes in the box. And inside the box we get some Apple stickers and paperwork. We get a Usbc charging cable. We also get a 20-watt Usbc wall charger. Alright, now let's take a closer look at the iPad. We can remove this film. Overall design is the same as the last generation. Alright, now let's unbox the keyboard and pencil. The second gen Apple Pencil costs around $129 US, and it's great if you want to take notes or draw. Alright, now let's take a look at the keyboard, which is priced at $249. It feels solid and looks great. And it's easy to attach. It holds the iPad pretty well. Alright, and that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.